Lesson 14.
Competency inquiring facilities in the host family. Vocabulary used under questions and answers. Toilet,
toilet or paikhana.
outside,
Baire,
inside,
Bhitore,
rope or string,
Dori,
clothes,
Kapor,
to dry,
Shukano,
tap,
tap or Panir kol,
to take shower,
Goshol kora,
where,
Kothay,
place,
Jaiga,
room,
room,
bathroom or bathing place,
Goshol khana,
laundry place,
Kapor dhoar jaiga,
to hang,
Jhulano,
the dialogues. Where is the toilet?
toilet kothay,
It's over there.
eta oi dike,
Where is the place to take shower?
Goshol korar jaiga kothay,
It's over here.
eta ei dike,
Where is the place to do laundry?
কাপড় ধোয়ার জায়গা কোথায়?
Where is the place to dry laundry?
কাপড় শুকানোর জায়গা কোথায়?
There, hang on that string.
ওই দড়িতে ঝুলিয়ে দেন।